The highest temperatures in at least 147 years have scorched much of eastern Japan for a week as of Friday, with the government asking citizens to cut power use as much as possible, while still running air conditioners to stay safe. Authorities issued no warning of a possible power crunch for the first time this week, although energy supplies will remain tight amid rising energy prices, adding further to calls within the government to restart more nuclear reactors that had been offline since the Fukushima disaster of March 2011. The power grid in Greater Tokyo crept perilously close to usage levels that could have threatened power outages on Thursday. The heat came with an early end to the rainy season, which in some parts of Japan lasted barely 2 weeks, leaving dams partly empty and some areas calling for water conservation. A tropical storm may brush Japan next week, finally bringing rain and slightly cooler temperatures.